Welcome. If you want to keep your Instagram videos extra private, sending a one-time viewed video is the perfect solution. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through each step so you can send videos that disappear after being viewed just once. First, open your Instagram app and head straight to your direct messages. You'll find this by tapping the paper plane icon or the messenger icon at the top right of your home screen. This is where all your chats live. Next, scroll through your messages and tap on the chat where you want to send your video. It could be a friend, a group, or anyone you're connected with on Instagram. Once inside the chat, look to the bottom left corner for the camera icon. Tap it, and your camera will open right within the app. Now, to record your video, simply press and hold the capture button. Hold it for as long as you want to record. Release when you're done. Before you send the video, pay close attention to the options at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a few choices, but for a one-time view, tap the circle icon with a 1 in it. This sets your video to be viewed only once. If you want to double-check, the one view option should now be highlighted. This means your video will disappear after the recipient opens it, giving you that extra layer of privacy. Finally, to send your video, just tap the send button, which looks like a paper airplane or arrow. That's it. Your video is on its way and the recipient will only be able to watch it once before it vanishes from the chat. Remember? This feature is perfect for moments you want to share privately without leaving a trace. Whether it's a quick update, a funny moment, or something personal, now you know exactly how to keep it one time only. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Instagram tips. See you in the next video.